Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the ASRock Z790 PG Sonic motherboard. This motherboard uses Intel's Z790 chipset and is suitable for all of the latest Intel 13th gen and older 12th gen processors on the LGA 1700 socket. It comes with some really cool looking heatsink with Sonic the Hedgehog design and a unique hologram showing the iconic golden ring on the I/O hood. It's perfect for any Sonic the Hedgehog fans or system builder who wants a unique looking motherboard for their PC build. The motherboard features a powerful 14+1+1 power phase design with Dr. Moss for V, Core and GT, and supports DDR5 RAM with speeds of up to DDR5 7200 OC. Expansion slots include one PCIe 5x16 slot for your next gen graphics cards, one PCIe 4x16 slot. You also get one PCIe 3x1 slot and one M.2 key E for the optional Wi-Fi 6. For storage, it comes with one Blazing M.2 PCIe Gen 5x4 slot and four Hyper M.2 PCIe Gen 4x4 slot for SSDs, as well as 8 additional SATA ports. There's plenty of USB ports, a total of 10 USB 3.2 ports and 6 USB 2.0 ports. You also get the killer 2.5 gigabit LAN, but no Wi-Fi 6. For that, you need to get the additional M.2 key E slot module for the Wi-Fi 6E. And of course, it comes with all of the usual ASRock's unique features, including the 7.1 Nahimic HD audio, the Lightning gaming ports, Dr. Moss, the 2-ounce copper PCB, and of course ASRock's Polychrome sync. The ASRock Z790 PG Sonic is perfect for any Sonic the Hedgehog fan out there, system builders and modders who's after a unique looking board that's packed with features with performance to match. We'll be testing this motherboard using an Intel Core i9 13900K along with some nice DDR5 RAM, as well as our usual GeForce RTX 3090. So let's put this into our test rig and see how it performs. But before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the ASRock Z790 PG Sonic motherboard. Supports PCIe 5 and also DDR5 RAM and all the Intel 12th and 13th gen core processors. Alright, let's take a look inside the box. Okay, alright, here we have the motherboard. We'll take a look at that in a sec. Okay, we have the user manual. We also have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the M.2 screws, and including the M.2 screw mount there. We also have a pair of SATA cables, and then we have the Velcro straps, a pair of them for your cable management. Nice. And a ASRock badge. Okay, nice. Now let's take a look at the motherboard itself. Alright, here we have the motherboard. This is the ASRock Z790 PG Sonic motherboard. We reviewed the B760M ASRock Sonic motherboard a couple of weeks ago. This is the full-size ATX version with the Z790 chipset. Okay, let's take a look at the back. Okay, you have the nice Sonic the Hedgehog artwork there, very nice. Alright, you can see the iconic golden ring with the hologram. That's very nice. I got the Sonic logos and also design along the heatsink. Alright, here we have the LGA 1700 socket supporting all of the latest Intel 13th gen and 12th gen processors. We'll start off the top here. Here we have the two 8-pin PCIe power connectors for your motherboard. You need to connect that up. And then we have some fan headers here, 2 of them. 2 ARGB 3-pin headers another fan header, and then we have the 24-pin ATX power connector there, USB Type E for the front USB, another fan header, and also the USB 3. Here we have the 6 SATA ports for your SSDs. Along the bottom we have pinouts for your power on and reset switches. We have 2 more SATA ports, a clear CMOS jumper here, and also a fan header. Then we have 2 USB headers here, another ARGB 3-pin header, and also a 4-pin header there. We've got some more headers for your fans, speakers, and also the audio output. Alright, let's take a look at the expansion slots. We have one PCIe 5x16 slot, and one PCIe 4x16 slot there, and one PCIe slot ×1 slot. Here's the M.2 Wi-Fi key E module connector there, so you can connect that with the Wi-Fi module. There's the Hyper M.2 slot for SSDs, and we have extra M.2 slots under this heat shield here, heatsink. 2 of them there. And of course we got one blazing M.2 PCIe Gen 5x4 M.2 slot there, covered by this large heatsink. Alright, let's take a look at the slots here, the DDR DIMM slots. We have 4 DDR DIMM slots supporting memory speeds of up to DDR5 7200. Very nice. And now let's take a look at the I/O. Okay, we'll start off at this end. We have a DisplayPort, HDMI, USB 2s, USB 3.2s here, and also the Type-C connector. We also have the 2.5 gigabit LAN, the Lightning gaming ports, and audio connectors including the mic in, and line out. Yeah, this motherboard looks great with the Sonic the Hedgehog design. I really like the whole setup. I love the heatsink design. I love the hologram as well. We'll be testing this motherboard using an Intel Core i9 13900K along with some nice DDR5 RAM, as well as of course the GeForce RTX 3090 to see how it performs. So this was a quick unboxing of the ASRock Z790 PG Sonic motherboard. All said and done, the ASRock Z790 PG Sonic motherboard offers similar performance to ASRock's other Z790 motherboards. The only difference, of course, is its unique looking heatsinks with Sonic the Hedgehog design and the unique hologram showing the iconic golden ring on the I/O hood. It's perfect for any system builder, modder, and of course Sonic the Hedgehog fans. During our tests, we used an Intel Core i9 13900K processor along with 32 gigs of DDR5 6200 RAM and of course the GeForce RTX 3090 graphics card. We managed to get some pretty decent scores in all of our benchmarks, including a Cinebench score of 34,360 multi-core and 2,250 single core. For PC Mark 10, we got a score of 9,828 and a score of 11,971 for Passmark 9. For UL's Procyon photo editing benchmark, we got a score of 9,996 and 9,235 for the video editing suite. For 3D Mark Speedway and Port Royal, we got a score of 5,233 and 12,838 respectively. And finally, for Time Spy and Firestrike, we got decent scores of 19,397 and 39,320 respectively. The only thing lacking with this motherboard is the onboard Wi-Fi. Other than that, it's a pretty decent performing motherboard with great aesthetics with Sonic the Hedgehog design, and will be much loved by any Sonic fans out there. If you don't like Sonic the Hedgehog, then look away. This motherboard is not for you. But for all you Sonic fans out there, the ASRock Z790 PG Sonic is an amazing looking motherboard that offers decent performance and features. It looks stunning with its unique design and is perfect for system builders, modders and gamers who love Sonic the Hedgehog. You can check out the full review on our website at funkygeek.com. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the ASRock Z790 PG Sonic motherboard. A unique looking motherboard that's perfect for any system modder or builder, and of course if you're a Sonic the Hedgehog fan. It comes with some great features and performance to match as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for funkygeek.com.